Well, hello everybody. Today we're going to be talking about weather. And what that means is look outside. Look outside and see what you can see. And if you can see some clouds, it's a cloudy day. If you see some sun, it's a sunny day. If you see rain outside, obviously it's a rainy day. So basically, when we look to weather, the weather is defined on a daily state of the atmosphere in any given place. So our given place is our houses. When we look outside, we see weather. We see if it's a stormy day. We see if it's raining, snowing, windy. We see if, we can actually go outside and play. Because would you want to go outside and play if it's like downpouring, raining, and it's really cold outside? Not so much. I wouldn't want to. Weather is a very important part of our everyday. That is because it tells us whether we can go outside. What about if we're planting for foods? It tells us when we can go outside to do that, because you wouldn't want to go outside in the snow. Can you plant a seed in the snow? It's a good question. I don't think we can. Before I leave my house, I always look at on my phone actually, I always look at the weather, what the weather's going to be like today, because that helps me know, should I bring a sweatshirt? Should I bring a cardigan? Should I wear rain boots or should I wear flip-flops? And I like to look on there to see how I'm supposed to dress my daughters, because if it was their choice, they would just run around in tank tops and shorts, but they have to be warm and cozy, so we have to dress accordingly. So my friends, it can either be really hot outside, as you can see here, or it could be very cold outside. So this one, the hot, they're obviously at a beach and it's nice and sunny and hot. But here, you wouldn't want to be wearing a bathing suit in that, because look at that weather. That's all the snow and the ice on the trees. Weather also can be wet or dry. So in the wet picture, obviously that's all rain, right? And then in the dry picture, it's all nice and dry and clear and pretty. And then I like this one, it's the calm or the stormy. So this right here, it's peaceful. There's no ripples in the water. It's all pretty clear in the sky, pretty trees. The trees aren't moving. It's nice and calm. And then on this side, it's the storm. It's dark outside. The clouds are getting thicker and blacker, and it's gonna storm. So that means you need to get inside, right? Or even on days, weather shows us that it's clear outside or it's wicked cloudy and the sun needs to come outside so we can play. When it's clear outside, the sun is nice and brightly, right? Brightly shining on us, which we really, 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 really like. Another thing with weather is temperature. And the temperature is what we look at as on the thermometer. And we've been doing this for morning meeting. We're going to start taking the temperature. And we're going to see how warm it's getting or how cold it's getting. And this is what we usually use numbers for this one. So it measures the hotness or the coldness of the day. When the level of heat is high, it's hot. So this is like almost 100 degrees outside. So we should all be at a beach. It also shows us when it's cold. And this right here, it's like almost 30 degrees outside, which is super cold. So my friends, here is a picture of hot weather clothes and cold weather clothes. So on a hot day, you would most likely wear some flip-flops, right? On a cold weather day, we would most likely wear some mittens. On a hot weather day, we can wear a skirt. On a hot weather day, we can wear some shorts. But then on that cold weather day, especially if there's snow on the ground, we're going to get our boots and a nice warm jacket. Good job, my friends. So let's go over some kind of days that we can see. We can see sunny days outside. So sunny days, it's nice and sunny and clear, and the sun is so brightly shining it's going to blind your eyes. You need your sunglasses. Some days it's going to be cloudy, which sometimes the sun comes out behind the clouds. Sometimes it peeks out there, and then Sometimes the sun is completely, but sometimes it could be really warm outside, but yet so cloudy. Then it's our rainy days, my friends. Sometimes rainy days are good so that you can make some like hot soup or chili and just snuggle inside and watch cartoons all day under a blanket. I like rainy days. Rainy days are fun. My fingers aren't moving. Mrs. Stokowski really likes the stormy days. I love it when it storms at night and it gets like really loud thunder and lightning. Sometimes dogs don't like this because it hurts their ears and they know something's different is happening and it makes them really anxious. I know that happens too. This is around the corner, my friends. Right around the corner is the snow. I kind of like snow, but I kind of don't like snow. I'm up in the air with snow, but it is fun to play in when you have all your stuff and you get to go and play in it. So snow can be fun, but snow's too cold for me. I'm not a fan. Then it's the windy days that blow you away. That even an umbrella can't help you because it'll turn inside out. But those are windy days. Mrs. Stokowski loves these days. In the morning when she drives to work and it's all foggy. You can see all the fog. I think those are really, really cool days. Foggy days. They're just fun. So what is your favorite weather and why? So I wonder what your favorite weather is. My favorite weather I like, of course, is I like the sunny days. Sunny days are my favorite days because it could be really, really hot. It could be really, really cold. It could be just right. My favorite are the sunny days. I wonder what your favorites are. Okay, my friends, thank you for learning about weather and different types of weather and weather words with me today. So cloudy, sunny, rainy, windy, snowy, and stormy. Thank you, my friends. Have a great day.